some people this will be dirty, like cold or corn stuff, and then for some other people this will be clean. The bottom there, and on the top there, there's that top bit is a magnet. For some people this will be dirty, like cold or corn stuff, and then for some other people this will be clean. To this. It's looking a bit cleaner now. Took me several hours to do it. You can see the sun flashing through there, it's not far off setting now. But yeah, there was a lot of mud on there. You might say, why are the wheels clean? Well, I've got to put it in the shed and service it. All the tines have all got to be changed. These tines here are worn up. The ones here, eradicated tines, they're getting worn up. And all these tines here, they've all got to be turned round. So, and if I have mud on there, I'll clean the barn floor and it'll just fall off and make another mess. So. Right, I've got to change the oil in the gearboxes on the power harrow. So I'm just lifting it up so it's off the ground. I don't want it right up because it's not good to run the PTO, it's just an angle. Just so it's off the ground, lift the drill up and then drop it down so it's actually not on the ground, but so the actual tines aren't touching. Then put it in 1,000 speed economy. Right, it's turned over and then engage the PTO. There we go. Give it a little bit of revs, not much. So what PTO speed do we got here now? 600. Leave that going while I go and do the pig set. The oil will be warm when I come back. So I can stop it and drain the oil out the plugs. This is the bung that goes in the bottom there, and on the top there, there's that top bit is a magnet. So if you get any iron filings or anything off the gearbox, you can check it to see if there's anything on the top there, but that one doesn't. That one's clean. There's nothing on here. It's just a little bit of the oil on there. It's been draining for about half an hour, so that's okay now. Just got to clean up where the oil's been running down. No. Right. Try again. That's good. That's cracked. Let's go. It's tight. Yes, we are. Right. Pop underneath. There we go. There we go, look at that. It's clean as anything, there's nothing on that magnet at all. It's absolutely fine. Oh, actually doesn't look as dirty as it did in the other one. Right, the oil's all drained out now. So now put this nice clean bung back in. There we go. Nice bung in. Right, I've taken the side one out. I've now got to get the top one out to top it back up, but I think I'll take it down, unfold it now, because it's easier to get at the top when it's not folded. If you look here, you can see I've got the axle stand here. There's another one, where is it? There, supporting it. So it's safe for me to be under here. I need 5.25 litres in the main gearbox. And then 4.75 in that gearbox. But you have to, the drain plug on this one here is at the bottom, which you saw me take out earlier. I've taken this one out here, which is the level plug. So basically you put the oil in until it comes out about level. So I've got to remove the one on the top. And then, so it should be about 5.25 litres for that one. And this one, there's two of these. This is the end gearbox. I've taken the drain plug out, which is, this gearbox is slightly different to the one I've got, just where the points are. That one there is in the same place. This one here, the level plug, is actually on the side round there, and the V, that one there, the drain plug, is also on the side. But basically you have to fill them up till they come out of the level plug on that gearbox and on that gearbox. Right, now putting the oil back in. I've put the drain plug in. I've got the level plug out. So just keep pouring it. It's 4.75 litres in this one because this is a side gearbox. So that's what I've put in this container, so it should be about that. But the problem is you can see it going in there. It's very thick oil, and because it's a cold day, because this is gearbox oil, 85, 140, so it's very thick. So it's taken ages to go in. which is why I warmed the gearbox up when I drained the other one out, so it will come out quicker. And I've got the biggest inlet I can get. I can't get anything bigger, I only just got that in, but no, it's going very slowly. Oh, there we go, it's now coming out. Let's put the level plug in. Do it up, it's not very, not much room in here. Rag will clear up the oil, so we won't clear up everything, the dust and that will stick to it, make a mess. There we go. Put this back in here. Tighten it up. There we go. Gearbox done. Right, I'm now filling up the middle gearbox, which is the bigger, which is 5.25 litres, so that's what I've got. But as earlier, it's going very slowly. I've got the bung in the bottom and the level plug out, which is on the side of the gearbox. So you can see it's just started to come out, so I'm now going to put the bung back in. Guys, I've got the wheels here off the drill, which you can see behind me, and the bearings are totally shot. Now on the last one of these tines on this